How to enable low data mode for streaming games on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll quickly show you how you can easily enable the low data mode on your Android device. Let's just get started. Open up your settings. Once you're on settings menu, scroll down here and find connections. It's going to be right on top, so just tap on it. Once you're on connection settings, you can go to data uses. And then from here, you can find something called data saver. Tap on it and tap on turn on now. So what it's going to do is it's not going to allow you to use much data while streaming games on your Android device. So it's going to limit your data usage, and you can also save this, change the allowed networks for apps. Now if you don't want certain apps to access your data, you can just turn it off and toggle those options off from here. It's going to show you the list of apps. Now you can just toggle it on or off whether the app uses mobile data or Wi-Fi. If you just want only Wi-Fi, just select the second option. You should be good to go. Now that's how you can easily turn on the low data mode for streaming games on Android. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.